Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine in this critical situation and be healthy at your home. So today I have came with the new topic of second chapter of accountancy of class 12. In my previous video I have taught about the sacrificing and gaining ratio, how to calculate this and the formula of these two. Now I have came with the practical question related to this topic. So let's start with the first question of D.K. Goyal. Question number 1A. In this question, we have two partners, A and B. And question is given that their old ratio is, earlierly they are sharing their profit in 5:3. So according to this old ratio, the old share of A and B will be, A is equal to 5:8, 5/8, and B shares will be 3/8. Next, the new ratio. In new ratio, it is given in the question that from 1st April 2019, they will share their profits equally. It means both of them will share 1:1 according to the new ratio. So the new share of A will be 1/2 and B will be at 1/2. Both having the equal. They share the profit equally. So we have to find out, in this question we have to find out that sacrifice or the gain of the partners. It means that who is sacrificing and who is gaining the shares of profit. So let's start solving it. So according to the formula we are knowing to calculate the sacrifice or gain. So for A we will calculate whether the A is sacrificing or gaining. So according to formula we have to do the old share minus new ratio. So old share of A is 5 divided by 8 minus the new one. So new one is 1/2. 1 divided by 2. So we will just calculate here. We take the LCM, that is 8, and here 5 minus 4. So what we get? 1/8 share. Next, B. We will calculate for the B. So for B we are having the share 3/8. That is the old share. So 3/8 minus new share is 1/2. 1/2. That is again the LCM will be 8 and 3 minus 4. So we will get here minus 1/8. So since this is the negative one, so B will gain. B is gaining 1/8 share of profit and A is sacrificing his 1/8 share.
Trigger.
So here A is sacrificing 1/8 share of his profit and the B is gaining 1/8 share of his profit. Here maybe confusion create for you that why it is coming negative. Since we are calculating, earlier we are not knowing that who is gaining and who is sacrificing. So we are taking one formula of calculating, that is old ratio minus new ratio. According to that formula, here B has gain by getting negative. तो जब भी नेगेटिव में आएगा, अगर हम ओल्ड रेशियो माइनस न्यू रेशियो करते हैं, उस वक्त अगर नेगेटिव जिस पार्टनर का भी शेयर आता है तो इसका मतलब होता है कि ही इज़ द गेनिंग पार्टनर. और क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो ही पार्टनर्स हैं तो ए सैक्रिफाइस कर रहा है और बी उतना ही शेयर गेन कर रहा है. आई होप सो दिस क्वेश्चन मस्ट बी क्लियर टू यू ऑल. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन गिव कमेंट्स आफ्टर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. So let's come to the next question, which is the second question of same exercise, that is 2A. So the next question 2A, we have three partners A, B and C. There are three partners and old ratio is given 4:3:1. According to that, if we are going to calculate their shares, so A's old share will be old share. So A's old share will be 4/8. B share is equal to 3/8. And then C is equal to 1 by 8. This is the old share of the partners according to their ratio. Next, the new ratio given in the question is 5:4:3. According to that, we will again calculate the new share of each partner. So the new share will be A 5/12, because we just add all the shares, 5 plus 4 plus 3. That will become the denominator. So 5/12. Next, B's. So B share will be 4/12 and C share will be 3/12. So here we get the old share and new share of all the three partners. Now again we have to calculate in this question that who is sacrificing and who is gaining. Sacrifice and gain of the partners. So again we will start from A's share, that whether A is gaining or sacrificing. According to the formula, old share minus new one. So 4/8 minus 5/12. Here, after taking the LCM, which is 24, 12 minus 10. Here we will get 2/24. Next, for B, 3/8 minus his new share is 4/12. 4/12. Again the LCM will be same, 24 and 9 minus 8. Answer will come 1/24. Next, the last partner, that is C. So C's old share is 1/8 minus his new share is 3/12. 3/12. 24 LCM and 3 minus 6. So here we are getting the negative answer minus 3/24. What does it mean? In previous question we have said that if the answer will come in negative, then it means the partner is gaining. So here C is, that is the gaining, and both A and B have positive share, so both of them are sacrificing. A is sacrificing 2/24 share and B is sacrificing 1/24 share. If we will add this 2/24 and 1/24, so again we will get 3/24. So both of them are sacrificing 3/24 share, which alone C is getting. So I hope so. This question is also clear to you. So for this sacrificing and gaining, how to calculate sacrifice and gain of the partner, we learned today. And according to this, just solve out the questions related to this topic. In the next video, I will come with the next topic. So thanks for watching this. And stay safe and healthy at your home. Maintain all the things which keep you safe. Thank you.